iced coffee. Tonight, I got a little bit of time, so I'm going to do some fried apples, okay? We're going to try this out and see what happens. So, let's check this out. For starters, we're going to core the apple, okay? And I got that nice little core. Put that in there, just like that. Follow the core right down, pull it out. There's one, done. Okay, and then we're going to do the second one. Two. Okay, now I'm going to take my apple. I'm just going to slice off a little bit to get my first cut in. Okay, I'm going to go probably about a 1/4 inch or a little bigger. I'm only going to get a few slices out of an apple. There you go. There's all my apples ready to rock and roll. Ooh, yeah. Gonna get my pan warmed up. Okay. We're gonna add our butter. Got some nice butter here. I'm just gonna cut a slab of it. Drop it in there, man. I'm not one that normally eats a lot of butter, but for this recipe, that's what it calls for. And we must have a little bit of oil with that so it doesn't burn. Okay. We want to mix it. Melt that butter. Okay. Okay. Over here I have my cinnamon, nutmeg, and some sugar. Alright? Ooh, yeah. I'm just going to season this a little bit. To get that in with the butter. Okay. Mix it around. Now we're ready to roll with the apples. And drop them in. I think I'll just do 6 for now. Okay. You can hear them sizzle. See, we're going to turn that over. I want to get them coated and then conduct my fry. Look at that. Okay, we're going to rotate them again. Okay. Okay, the first batch is done. We don't want to overcook them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull one out. And I'm going to put one in. Pull one out. Put one in. Pull one out. These I'm not going to put any more stuff in the mix. I'm just going to cook them the way they are. Okay, because they're going to fry up just as nice. And the flavor of the nutmeg is already in the oils. Alright, time to turn the second batch. Look at that, nice and gold. Oh yeah. Now this is the second batch. Look at that. So, perfect. I don't want them too crispy, but I want them cooked somewhat. I'm not going to eat these tonight. What I'm going to do is save them for tomorrow. And I'm going to make a pancake mix and put them in the pancake mix. There you go, folks. Now we're going to sprinkle a little bit of brown sugar on these because they're going to sit overnight. And they're just going to absorb the brown sugar flavor. Okay. And tomorrow, my pancakes are going to be super delicious.